Hi, this is Marwan, and today we have another video where we are going to talk about complex numbers. We had our last video that was an introduction to complex numbers. Today we'll be adding and subtracting complex numbers. Then we'll have multiplication of complex numbers, division, and the last thing will be how would you see a complex numbers in an SAT question. Now, as we can see here, we have a question says what is each sum or difference, and we have two imaginary numbers. One of them is negative 3 plus 9i, and we need to add it to 3 plus 9i. Now, we did agree that part of the imaginary number is real, which is the first part here that does not have an I with it, and the other is the pure imaginary part. And what we're going to do actually is combine like terms. Like we're going to be adding the real parts together and the imaginary parts together. So imagine that you are going to be adding negative 3 plus the 3, both are the real parts, and you're going to be adding the 9i plus the other 9i. So your final answer for that is going to be negative 3 plus 3, which is 0, and 9i plus 9i, which is 18i. Now, you can usually do this in one step. Just you're going to add negative 3 plus 3 gives you 0, 9i plus 9i gives you 18i without writing any steps in the middle, but I just wanted to show you how it's done. What about subtraction? We have 5 minus 3i, and we want to subtract negative 2 plus 4i. Again, you're going to be joining the like terms, combining real parts together. So we're going to be having 5, take care, minus, this is a negative 2, with a negative before it, so it's minus negative 2. Okay, so this is the real parts together, and we're going to combine it by an addition sign, and I'll show you why later. Because the subtraction sign, we have already used it here, and we used it again here. Then I'm going to be taking negative 3i, take care, don't look at it this as if it's a subtraction. This is a sign for the number after it. So this is actually as if we have plus negative 3i. So you're going to have negative 3i, and I'm going to be subtracting again, and I'm going to be subtracting 4i this time. So 5 minus negative 2 is equal to 7, and negative 3i minus 4i is equal actually to negative 7i. Now, when you simplify this, it's going to be 7 minus 7i. Again, this also can be done in one step. You will be looking at the 5, combining it with the negative 2. You will say 5 minus negative 2 is 7. And you're going to be saying negative 3i minus 4i, negative 7i. So we saw how to do this, writing all steps and in details, and we saw how to do it in one step. Now, this shouldn't be hard for you. All you need to do now is practice. Try solving the given questions and write your answers in the comments, and I'll let you know if they're correct. Our next video is going to be about multiplying complex number, and thank you so much for watching.